Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about the easiest way to compare the rational numbers. Okay, the easiest way to compare the rational numbers. So first of all, we will see what types of questions you can solve by these methods. So let's get start the topic. So by this method you can solve this type of questions. That means whenever you will have find the greatest rational number, whenever you will have the question like find the smallest rational number, or arrange the rational number in ascending order, or arrange the rational number in descending order, whenever you will have this types of questions, then you have to think that you have to compare the rational numbers. So now we will talk about the way to easiest way, not only way, easiest way to compare the rational numbers. Now here I have taken one example, and in this example this is your question. Okay, these are the given rational numbers, and what you have to find here, we have to find, first of all, find the greatest rational number, then second one find the smallest rational number, third one arrange the rational numbers in ascending order, then arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, this type of questions you may have from this part of the chapter. That means which type of question of comparison you may have in your exam. This type of questions you may have in your exam regarding comparison of the rational numbers. Okay, so first of all, how to solve the question. So I'm writing first all the rational numbers here. Okay, 3 by minus 2, 2 by 3, 4 by minus 6, 5 by 2, and minus 4 by 3. So what is the first work? The first work is you have to check all the denominators first. You have to check all the denominator first. If there is any negative sign in the denominator, then first of all you have to shift the negative sign from denominator to numerator. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कोई भी नेगेटिव साइन रहे, उसको सबसे पहले न्यूमरेटर में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. कैसे शिफ्ट करना होगा? जस्ट ऐसे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ठीक, जैसे यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, सेम रहा. बट हियर डिनोमिनेटर इज नेगेटिव 2, सो दिस नेगेटिव साइन वी विल टेक हियर. दैट मीन्स minus 3 by 2, because already I told you this thing. That means minus 7 by 8 and 7 by minus 8, both are the same things. Okay, both are the same rational numbers. Already I told you this thing. Whenever the fraction 7 by 8, 7 by 8, the fraction is same, but sign is in here minus sign is in front of numerator. Here minus sign is in front of denominator, so it doesn't matter. Whenever the fraction is same, the sign doesn't matter wherever it is up or down. Okay, so this minus sign we have taken in front of 3, and this one 2 by 3 same. Then here 4 by minus 6, so minus sign we will take up, then 6, then 5 by 2, and then here minus 4 by 3, so this minus we can write it as minus 4 by 3. Now you can see all the denominators we have taken here positive, all the denominators. Okay, now what is the easiest way to compare? So first of all you have to find out the LCM of the denominators. Okay, first work. That means after making all the denominators positive, what is the next step? You have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So what is the LCM? 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, then 3. 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. Okay, then 2, 3 is 6, 2, sorry, 1 is 2, 3, 3 is 6, 1 is 2, 3. Then 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 3 2 is 6 is the LCM. So what have to do now? This LCM we have got what? LCM we have got 6. Now this LCM we have to multiply by each and every rational numbers. Clear? Suppose here suppose now here minus 5 by 6, so minus 5 by 6 into 6. Here minus 3 by 2 into 6. Then 2 by 3 into 6 minus 4 by 6 into 6, then 5 by 2 into 6. Clear? 5 by 2 into 6. Then we are adding here, okay, and minus 4 by 3 into 6. Okay, this is in the rough. This is in the rough. Okay, now we have to cut it, calculate it. Okay, actually, so 6 cut, minus 5, 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, so minus 9. Okay, now here 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 6 and 6 cut, minus 4, 2 3 ja 6, 5 3 ja 15, and here 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8, so minus 8. Now you have to compare all the numbers that you have got after cutting, after calculating that you have got the numbers, you have to compare it. So first questions, if we are taking, find the greatest rational number. So you have got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So out of these numbers, which one is the greatest? So obviously negative integer cannot be greatest. So first of all you have to check the positive integers only, that can be greatest. Okay, so here you can see minus minus, no, here 4, here 15, and here all are minus. Okay, except 4 and 15 all are minus. So you can see here 15 is the greatest number. So greatest number, 15 is the greatest number. This means corresponding rational number of the 15, corresponding rational numbers of 15. That means what? 15 has been come from which rational number? 15 has been come from 5 by 2, this rational number. So this one, 15 is the greatest number. So 5 by 2 is the greatest rational number. So greatest rational number is equals to what? 5 by 2. Clear? Now find the smallest rational number. Now you have to check out among these numbers, that means minus 5, minus 9, 4, minus 4, 15 and minus 8. Among these number, which one is the smallest number? So you can see minus 5, minus 9, 4, minus 4, minus 8. So you can see minus 9 is the smallest here. You can see minus 9 is the smallest here. So which rational number is the corresponding rational number of minus 9? That means minus 9 has been come from minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 will be the smallest. Minus 3 by 2 will be, but minus 3 by 2 in your question you are given this thing like this. So this one you should write. Okay, 3 by minus 2. Okay, minus 3 by 2 in your question is given like this, 3 by minus 2. So we will write at the time of answer, writing the answer, we have to write 3 by minus 2 like this. Okay, now you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So first of all, ascending means what? Small to big. Okay, ascending means small to big. So we are making here. Okay, ascending order, ASC, ascending order. So first of all, small to big. So which one is the smallest number here? This one. That means minus 3 by 2, and minus 3 by 2 has been come from 3 by minus 2. So first of all 3 by minus 2, then greater is smaller than, then after minus 9 it will be minus 8, and minus 8 has been come from minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3, that means this one. So now we will write minus 4 by 3. Then after this one minus 5, that means minus 5 by 6. Yeah, minus 5 by 6, same, minus 5 by 6. Then minus 4, after minus 5 by 6 it is minus 4, and minus 4 has been come from minus 4 by 6, minus 4 by 6. This one has been come from 4 by minus 6. So we have to write 4 by minus 6. Then 4 by minus 6. Then this one 4, that means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means, yes, same, it is 2 by 3. And last one will be 15, that is 5 by 2. So this one is the arrange the number in ascending order. You can write it like this, 5 by 2. Okay, these are arranged in ascending order. And descending order same way, just opposite of it. Okay, you should make it descending order. So this is the easiest way to compare the rational numbers. And what we have done here, actually we have done here, first of all we will check if there is any negative sign in the denominator. So first of all we have to shift the negative sign from denominator to numerator. डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमिनेटर में माइनस साइन को शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. अगर माइनस साइन नहीं रहेगा तो डायरेक्टली सेकंड स्टेप में चले जाएंगे. So first step is what? You have to check all the denominators. If there is any negative denominators, first of all you have to make them positive by shifting the minus sign from denominator to numerator. Okay, then what is the next step? You have to find out the LCM of all the denominators, LCM of all the denominators, and then you have to multiply the LCM by each and every rational numbers. Then you have to compare the rational numbers according to their numbers, according to their values, according to these values you have to compare the rational numbers. And this is the easiest way. In my thinking, this is the easiest way for the students also. Okay, and this is the comparison of the rational numbers, and in the next class we will talk about further things about the rational numbers. Thank you for watching my video.